At 1800.
Yeah, I would say that's about right. We're usually around those.
Yeah,
around,
I like that for the base.
What, like 800 feet or so?
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Alright, take it in. Got your ground here. Just keep flying the plane.
Alright, bringing the power back to 1500. Trimming up. 1 notch.
356 Echo Cherokee, number 2, flying traffic at say Cherokee on a right base for runway 2, about a mile east of the Putnam Bridge.
Number 2 for runway 2, we have that traffic in sight, 356 Echo 0.
Alright, I'm at 80.
Yeah, I know.
I'm looking at 91. I see the runway. Maintaining 1200. 1 notch of flaps. I'm going to put 2 notches in. Slow it down a little bit. 75. Nose down. Get that nice 70. I like this. We're at 1000. Runway's in sight.
So we're a little high.
Yep, 900. Full flaps. Keep this speed. Got the beacon.
Number 356 Echo Sierra, traffic's now a half mile final, runway 2, cleared to land.
We got the traffic clear to land, runway 2, 356 Echo 0.
Alright.
There you go. Get that back pressure.
Yeah. Gotta... Tower 33 Quebec requesting Delta.
Number 33 Quebec, turn left at the Delta taxiway and then proceed a right turn into the ramp for the Hartford Jet Center ramp.
33 Quebec taking Delta, then a right turn to the ramp to Jet Center. 33 Quebec. Alright, that's it.
Yep, nope, stay on that taxi line.
Where is it?
You'll see it right there.
Okay, I got it.
Cool.
Thank you.
Yep. I made the same mistake before.
I'm like looking at the sign.